Hi everybody, my name is Andrea and today we're gonna make a Brazilian dish called couscous, the sweet version. The name sounds like the Moroccan couscous, but the ingredients are totally different and I'm gonna show you now. So, the main ingredient is corn flour in flakes. We're gonna use 80 grams more or less, 2 tablespoons of sugar for this sweet version, 1 tablespoon of coconut flour, 40 milligrams of water, and milk, as much as you want, as much as you like, just for garnishing. So this is the flour that they use in Brazil. It's called flocão. So the first thing, the flour. Then we add the sugar. Then we add the coconut flour. Stir, mix everything, and then you soak it with water. And to add a little bit of flavor and a pinch of salt. Great. Let's put our couscous in the cuscuzeira. The cuscuzeira is a typical Brazilian pot made specifically for couscous. This is a model for one person. There are models for 2, for 3, for many people. First thing that we have to do, we have to add some water at the bottom, just half. Now let's put the couscous in the top part. I'm gonna press just in the beginning to let all the couscous enter in the bottom, but I'm not gonna press it. Great. Okay. Let's even it a little bit and close. The steam of the water will cook it. If you don't have this special pot at home, you can replicate this method using a dish instead of this top part. You fill it with your ingredients, then you cover it with a tea towel, flip it and put it on a steaming pot, and the steam will cook it. Now on the hob for 10-15 minutes. So it's almost 3 to 4 years that I speak fluent Portuguese, and what helped me to learn was, first of all, my nationality and my mother tongue. I'm Italian, and so everything that I could connect to Italian, the sound or the pronunciation, I would connect it. Even if the meaning of the words are different, the fact that you have something in your memory that you can connect to is very important. Then immersion. My wife is Brazilian. I have many friends that are Brazilians, and that helped me a lot to listen and to speak with them. And music. Brazilian music is lovely. I love it. And listening to Brazilian music helped me to pick up new words, to pick up the accents, and to understand more the Brazilian Portuguese. It smells really nice. It's almost ready. Let me check with a fork that it's the right consistency. Yeah, doesn't break. Great. So it's hot, and now I'm going to open and oop. There you go. Fantastic. A little bit of butter on top. I like it. hopefully it melts. Then milk. And then the coconut on top. Turns out it's better on this side. And there you go. It's ready. Enjoy your meal. Bon appétit.